Your next car could be the 2018 Acura MDX. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Best-selling third-row luxury SUV of all time. Spaciousness, does-it-all vehicle. Designed to fit your lifestyle with style. Designed to surpass expectations. Superior handling. Powerful, high performance. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. You deserve to experience the power and luxury of the MDX. Stop by or call us today.